Hello everyone, today I will show you how to accept admin requests for Facebook page. And here's how it's done. There are two ways to find the admin request. One, via notifications. Tap on notifications at the bottom right. At the very top, you might see something like Harley invited you to manage this page. Tap on it and then hit review invite. 2. Via search. If you don't see the notification, if you don't see the notification, you can also tap the search bar at the top right. Search for the specific page name. Once you go to that page, you'll see the option to review invite. You can either delete it if you want to deny the request or tap review invite. Tap next and then simply hit accept. After you have accepted, you can tap switch now to begin managing the page. You can always tap your profile icon at the bottom right. Drop down the arrow and switch back to your personal account, and vice versa, to toggle between managing the page and your personal profile, and you are good to go. And that is everything to know about how to accept admin requests for Facebook page. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.